Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is a super delicious and protein packed Tawa fried veggies with mushrooms and bean. This can be a very healthy choice for your lunch, dinner or even at your breakfast table. So let's get started. So here I have taken some mixed vegetables like the Brussels sprout, some carrots and some colorful bell peppers like the green, yellow and red. This is the Brussels sprout. So in lieu of Brussels sprout you can of course use the regular green cabbage, green or red cabbage. And here are my mushrooms. So today I'm using the brown button mushrooms. You can of course use the white one too. Heat some oil on the pan. Today I'm using olive oil. Keep the flame in medium always whenever you use the olive oil for cooking. At first I'm going to use some minced garlic. Whenever the garlics are a little fried, then I'm going to use my vegetables here. So I have steamed my vegetables a little to make sure it becomes a little tender, and then let's use it. Let's fry it for some time. Whenever they are a little fried, I'm using onions. You can also use shallots, then you don't have to cut it. You can simply use the whole one in the veggies. Now I'm using a little pink salt. Just stir it a bit. And I'm using a lid now. And see, the veggies are almost done. So now I'm going to use some spices, like a little bit white pepper powder. If you don't have it, you can use the black one. A very little red chili powder, little bit of amchur powder or dry mango powder. Mix the spices well with the veggies. Now I'm going to use my mushrooms. Stir it well. Let it be cooked with the spices for some time. Now my mushrooms are almost cooked. Now I'm going to use my beans. So this is the black-eyed bean. I have boiled these using a little water and salt and a little bit of turmeric to get the color, and I've strained off whatever little extra water was in it. It's the black-eyed bean. It's very healthy and available in the grocery stores. I'm going to use this. Stir it well. Using a very little vinegar, white vinegar. Keep the flame in low now. It's almost done. Now at the end I'm going to use a little bit of dry basil and dry oregano. If you have the fresh one, you can use it. That tastes actually better. And dry roasted white sesame seeds. Which is very healthy. And see, this is ready.